Okay, hi folks, Terry Brown, and introducing this great business opportunity, a way to make to actually create wealth online. And so this is something, if you haven't seen iHubglobal yet, it's something that you really do need to see. Okay, it is a 100% zero cost money system. All right, and it's a completely zero risk, no cost system that can help you to create wealth online. So we're introducing the shocking new technology that is automatically helping people to make quite a bit of money online. And guess what? You can get started absolutely free. iHubglobal delivers a unique opportunity for everyone to get involved and start earning passive cryptocurrency with our dynamic hosting affiliate program. Okay, so and with our team, now we have a powerful system that will help you to share this opportunity with other people. And I'm going to leave the link to our system so that you can see for yourself how it works. I'm also going to leave some bonus links if you might be interested in looking at some other things as well. So, we've got everything in place for you. All you've got to do is take action and follow through. Okay. Very powerful. iHubglobal. So I hope to see you on the inside real soon. I'm Terry Brown. I'm wishing you a blessed and wonderful, magnificent day today. All right. Bye-bye now.